Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing 4 products from the Olaplex line, specifically the products that come in the Healthy Hair Essentials Kit. For those of you who don't know, Olaplex is a very popular hair care line that is known for their bond building and bond repairing ingredient, a patented ingredient that they actually invented themselves, and I will have it listed down right here because I cannot pronounce it. Now, I had been hearing people talk about Olaplex for a while now, but for the longest time, I thought that it was just for people with blonde hair or with any type of lightening done to their hair, but it's actually meant for all hair colors and hair types. And just a little bit of background on my hair. I have 4C hair, but it is on the thinner side and it is high porosity. It is also color treated. I have highlights and then I do color the rest of my hair as well. And I recently cut about 2 inches off of my hair because I wanted to start my healthy hair journey. This kit contains 4 of Olaplex's products. It's an $84 value and you can get the kit for $60. 2 of the products are full size, the number 3 and number 7, and then the other 2 products, the number 4 and number 5, they are both mini. Jumping into the individual reviews of the products, I want to start with number 3, and this is the Hair Perfector. Now, this particular product is actually not a conditioner, so you use it before you shampoo, which was very new to me. I had never actually used a product like that before. The instructions say to apply it to wet hair, leave on for 10 minutes, and then go ahead and shampoo and condition as normal. I had results immediately after applying this to my hair. It was noticeably softer and more manageable, and my curls also had more definition. I found that overall, after I used that product, detangling wasn't as difficult, and it just overall felt stronger after I applied this product. Of all the products that I've tried so far, this is actually my favorite from the Olaplex line, and the bottle I'm showing you today is actually already a repurchase. With my hair length and my hair type, I was able to get about 3 uses per the original bottle, which is kind of pricey, but in my opinion, 100% worth it. Moving on to 4, which is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So in general, I would say this product was all right. There's definitely nothing wrong with this product, but I don't think that I will be repurchasing this one just because I have other shampoos that have the same result in terms of the way that they make me feel. It is important to note that the ingredient that they have in their products is a patented ingredient and you cannot find it in other products. So as far as that goes, that's undupable. But in general, this just works as a standard shampoo for me. It's not stripping, but it's also not too terribly moisturizing. I did feel that I was able to get a good cleanse with it using it twice like I do all of my shampoos. It definitely is color safe like it says. It didn't strip any of the color that I had on my hair previously. And everyone says that this shampoo is concentrated, but they are not joking. Truly, a nickel-sized amount in my palm ended in just a crazy amount of lather. I could not believe it. So I've used this product 3-4 times at this point, and I don't think I'm going to be running out of it anytime soon. Next up is number 5, which is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I really enjoyed this conditioner. I would say that it performed slightly better than the conditioners that I typically use, and I also didn't have to use as much of it to get the same result. Using this conditioner left my hair really shiny, gave it a lot of slip, and made it really easy to detangle and prepare it for deep conditioning. And like I said earlier that I didn't have to use too much, it's definitely a concentrated formula. Not as concentrated as the shampoo, but for a conditioner, especially with 4C hair, the fact that I've used this already 3 times and still have some left tells you a lot, because look at this tiny little bottle. My 4C girls will know. Like I said, I did enjoy that one. Whether or not I would repurchase, the jury's still kind of out on that one. The fact that I have a mini size, and actually I should have said, the number 3 and the number 7, the oils, they are actually both the full sizes, but the shampoo and conditioner, 4 and 5, they are the mini sizes. So keeping that in mind, it might be worth it for me to buy the conditioner again because I would get so much more product for that $28 price tag. But at the same time, there are some other conditioners that I like almost as much, so I might stick with those first or try something new. Now, the last product in the kit is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. Now, this product actually surprised me the most. And it surprised me because I thought it was just going to be another hair oil, but it's actually very nice because not only is it super lightweight and absorbs into the skin quickly, or the hair quickly, but it also actually protects your hair from heat damage up to 450 degrees. Now, I don't particularly use the bonding oil for that purpose just yet, but I do see myself maybe mixing it in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner before blow drying to see if it helps, with some heat damage. Now, what I predominantly use this bonding oil for is when I wrap my silk press at night or after styling it. So in the morning, when I take it out of the wrap, sometimes I feel like I need a little bit more moisture, a little bit of oil there. Or when I'm taking out my perm rods or bantu knots and I want to just add a little bit of shine to my hair. Now, this is especially important because if you have a silk press like I do, you don't want anything weighing your hair down so that you can make sure you make that silk press last. So this bonding oil is perfect for that. Also, despite the fact that it has a very small bottle, you need so little at a time that this is definitely the best bang for your buck. This is going to last you the longest of all the products, except maybe the shampoo. And I appreciate the fact that the packaging doesn't allow you to dump out too much at once. It just gives you a few drips at a time, which is really all you need. Well, guys, that wraps up my review on these 3 products from Olaplex. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will definitely be checking out the rest of the products in their line just because they are so innovative and they've worked so well for my hair so far, and I just can't wait to see what the whole line might do for me. So be on the lookout for a review for the other products, but until then, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.